Remix has eliminated so many of the problems that I've had with React that I didn't realize were problems, that I just kind of had accepted. That's what hooks did for me, actually. Like, I remember when I first saw hooks, I told Ryan Florence, I feel like hooks are making React better when I thought React was as good as it could get. And Remix is kind of doing the same thing. So Remix is a framework that is built by Ryan Florence and Michael Jackson, the creators of React Router. And it is a phenomenal framework. It's still pre-release, but it is, let me put it this way. I'm building a really awesome React application right now for my website. And my website's like, it's an actual application. There are like user accounts and a bunch of really cool things I'm adding to it. It's not just like a developer portfolio. And I have never been more productive working with React than having Remix. I also have maybe like 2 calls of use state in the whole thing. I might have 1 use effect in there. Like, it's a real app. I'm not just like throwing together some toy stuff. I'm also not using any CSS and JS. I can write regular CSS because what Remix does is it gives you nested routing and it allows you to have a lot of control over what is on the document at any given time. So you're in charge of rendering the entire document. You are rendering the HTML element. So like from the top down. So actually, when I said earlier that updating the document title is a side effect, with Remix, it doesn't have to be because you actually render the document title. You could put that in state and just render that, which is really awesome. I have a class name on the HTML element that's actually in state. So it gives you control over the link tags that are on the page, the meta tags. You don't have to use something like React Helmet. And yeah, I could go on for way longer than we have. We've already probably talked too long. But if you haven't already looked at Remix, give it a really solid look because it's changing the game.